but many of their enrollees this semester are upperclassmen. The course is not difficult, as you probably already know, but we still have a fair number of assignments, technical quizzes, and 4 exams. The best way to get a good grade in the course is stay on top of your due dates. Due dates are clearly posted, and assignments are due each day. You have the ability to work ahead if you have work commitments or travel that will keep you busy a few days. So stay on top of your work and you will be fine. So let's look briefly at our course layout. First of all, you'll notice we have a new Blackboard appearance this semester called Blackboard Ultrabase. To move directly to our course, go over here to the courses. It should be under current courses, and if not, you can do the drop down and pull it up. Here it is, Computers and Agriculture. So once you open the course, you are sitting on the announcements page. And this is the same as the What's New pick up here, and is a page you'll always see when you first open the course website. Under the course information, you will see required text and tools. So check these out. You will need to rent or purchase a textbook for the course, and we will use this every day. Note also that Microsoft Office 365 or Office 2019 will be used, and this is available for you to download for free if you don't already have it installed. Lastly, you will be needing a webcam and microphone for some of your coursework. Next up, we're going to be looking at the syllabus and schedule. Your schedule is going to give you an overview of the course. You can see that all of the exam dates are marked here in red, so you can put those in your calendar. Also, I would suggest you go ahead and review your syllabus. That is available for you to download right here. We will have a 10-question quiz on the syllabus in the first couple of days. All of your coursework is going to be divided into units, and our first unit will be covering Microsoft Word. The first day of class, you will be starting on just some extraneous work. We'll be doing a student data sheet that you'll turn in, and we'll do the syllabus quiz. And then the second day, we will actually be starting your Microsoft Word. I will give you a copy of the textbook for the first few days to give you time to get your own textbook in. Please note at the very top of the unit, all of your due dates are posted here for all of the work that we'll be doing during the first unit. Your introductory video will be due this first Friday. There are lots of instructions for doing that, and you ought to have a lot of fun doing it. It'll be fun to meet everyone in the class. So feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I wish you good luck, and I look forward to seeing you online.